Marty. And there's Stripe. And there's Morris. Hi, guys. Good morning. Okay. Come on in. Morris thinks about it, but does not. Gonna be another beautiful 80-degree day here today. I'm headed for the normal Tuesday shopping thing, chiropractor. And yeah, I'm looking forward to getting out and driving in Ruby. Don and I'll go for our walk here in a bit. Good morning, Panther. Good morning. How's my buddy doing? Well, I see the first hint of red up very high. Hopefully it'll look pretty before they all fall off. The color just seems to be off this year. There you are. Good morning. Hi, good morning. How's my sweetie? Is it doing good? Your bowl's empty. That's always a good thing. I got fresh chicken for you. Walmart has had a promotion going on where if you ordered a set off of a list of qualified sets, Lego sets, you would get this free Lego Masters trophy kit. And it came in the mail yesterday. Dawn brought it in this morning. It's 150 pieces, and it does have the one Lego Masters brick. I assume it's on the brick and not a sticker, but I don't actually know that for sure yet. Anyway, way cool. I'm excited about it. Dawn and I have been watching the new season of Lego Masters. We're up here at South Park. We've got about 40 minutes to walk before we need to head back to the house, so I stay on time. I'm definitely less stressed when we do it like this. And it's nice out here. It's already 61 degrees. I have on short sleeves today after learning my lesson yesterday. And it's voting day, so there's a lot of traffic over at the community center building. John and I don't live in a municipality. We don't live in Fuquay, so no vote, no ballot for us today. We double checked. But it looks like pretty good turnout over there right now, although it's usually busy in the morning. But I think with the bond vote, there's going to be a bit of activity today. The mayor is up for re-election, but he is running unopposed. So, as upset as some people are about the development and him being a contractor, he will be remaining in office. I am not a fan at how close they're actually allowed to the entrance of the building. I would like it to be much farther away, all of them. I know there's a lot of push to have more people watching the election, the next presidential election, and I got problems with that too. Locally, our Board of Elections seems to have a lot of people in there already monitoring the election. I feel comfortable with the process. I don't want additional watchers in there, intimidators. I'm always running late. I'm running late. Ruby, come on. Here's my purses right here. What in the world? Wow, I've seen 3 Ys, 2 3s, an X plus Ruby, and I've only been gone from home for 10 minutes and I'm on a backcountry road. There's a 3 behind me, and well, the speed limit just dropped to 35. I'll lower my foot, but lift my foot. But anyway, the Model 3 behind me is like, they don't drive fast. I don't even think they drive the speed limit. Just a little surprised. But they've been basically following me the whole time. Well, there's some pretty reds. We also saw an Ioniq 5 and a Leaf. And I've seen a Bolt today on this road too. One that pretty red color. It's a good day for EVs. I rushed inside. I was only a couple minutes late. I'm enjoying this tree here one last time. I suspect next week when I come, almost all of the leaves will be down. We treated my lower back. You know, it's not quite as bad this week as it was last week. I tried not to overdo it. Too much bending and stooping and stuff, but there's only so much I want to do, and it seems like all of it requires bending and stooping. So the storage containers here are, I guess, doing stuff for Food Lion, repairing carts, doing shelving, stuff like that. Makes sense. I've seen similar operations show up at the Walmart in Fuquay before when they were renovating. The carts didn't look the right color, or kind of orange, but there's no other business in this shopping center that uses carts except for Guardian Angel, and they just have a few little small ones. Let's see where I can find a place to park. Yeah, I'm not in love with that spot, but it was the best I could do today. It's really packed over here. Well, there weren't any, you know, end spots or multiple spots side by side, so it's a little light on the EVs today. Seriously light. As in, wow, I'm not seeing anything. The one Bolt's over there, but that's a private vehicle. I'm sure this X is also out Christmas. Yay! I love, you know, Christmas Village pieces, but unless it's another Lefton piece that I don't have, I've really got to leave them. I love you dearly. Aww. That's pretty. I have a lot of turkeys, otherwise that turkey would have to go home with me. A cloak for $1 for Michelle. Another one of those vintage house shelf sitters, a sweater. A great deal on a pair of gloves for $1 and a door hanger thing for $1.99. I still have quite the collection of cake pans up in the attic. If I were still collecting, the spaceship would have to go home. Awesome. Additional Hertz vehicles parked there while I was in Guardian Angel. I had a good time shopping. It was a little over $13 for what I picked up today. Not bad. And I am headed to Whole Foods now. It's basically perfect out here. Feels amazing in the sun. I signed up for Amazon One, which means I can pay by showing either the right palm of my hand or the left palm of my hand. My right hand palm or my left hand palm. I only have one bottle of my hard cider left. One bottle. All Halloween bags and a bacon bag, courtesy of Michelle. I don't want to disturb him while he's using a power tool, a saw, but he's down there working. I have the groceries put away and the Guardian Angel stuff put away, and I started feeding kitties. I need to peel some shrimp, a pound of relatively large shrimp. And I thought I'd take a peek at what Don's working on. I know he painted the door blue one time yesterday and then again this morning. So it should be dry at this point. We decided to match the color on the windows. And he was gonna try to hollow out a little bit of window area. I'm not sure what else he's doing down here. I should probably leave him be. He looks really into what he's doing. I'll come when I hear the tool's all stopped and get a wrap-up video for the day. I see him shooting a video for me.
Well, I recessed the little windows into the actual bark of the tree. I cut it away. There's a little bit of work, chisel work mostly, a little bit of power tools, but it's getting closer. I haven't, that was quite a bit of work to recess though, so I don't know that I'm going to do any more recessing. I might do with the oval the round window on the back. I might recess it when I get that far, but anyway, it does make it look a little bit cleaner, I guess, with the windows recessed into the trunk.
You've done drug the whole garage out.
Yeah, again.
That's lots of tools.
Yeah, but ask me if I've got a nail or a screw.
You want me to walk back up the hill? Please say no.
No, I don't think you walk back up.
Ooh, let me tell you how good it looks.
Yeah, I think it does look a little better.
It does. It looks really good. So you had this fancy tool thing, huh?
Yeah, it goes on the, well, I did a lot with the chisel, but it's like a rasp.
Okay.
On the end of the angle grinder.
Okay.
And it did good. I mean, it did 75%, but it can't do. It's really good at removing the stuff in the middle, but the lines along the sides and the curve. Well, actually, it did pretty good on the curved top. It doesn't like straight lines.
Okay.
It doesn't cut straight, but it does do
right,
because
it's rounded.
It's rounded. It does do a nice little arc, I have to say, but cutting straight and getting it to go 90 degrees so that the window goes in, because the window is every bit as thick as this.
Right.
It's not thin. Those windows are made out of 3/8 something.
Yeah, we found that piece of white plastic. It's hardboard, what, on the side of the road or something? Yeah, side of the road.
My pickups, you know.
Yep.
Yepper, that's exactly correct.
Well, I'm super stoked about having a front and a back, and them being a little different.
Right.
Let me take the fan club back up to the house with me. Hi. Hello. I blew again, but I got this backyard area, and then I refreshed all 3 water bowls because they had, 15 leaves and dirt and crap in them. There's just no way back here to blow and not need to fix the water bowls, so that's what I did. And they're all coming back now because it's safe again to come near the house. Tux is here. I encouraged him to go high.